Do not buy these unless you're ready to clean your lungs and get rid of a lot of mucus. Let me explain how. So these are respiratory lung health drops from Peak Performance. And these are really great if you struggle with breathing or just coughing a lot, because they contain things like mullein, calendula, elderberry, which helps cleanse your lungs and get rid of all that dirty stuff out of you. And like, if you want to quit smoking and cleanse your lungs, this is 100% for you. I will say though, do not take this if you're about to go on a date, because you will be coughing out a lot of mucus. Like, I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Also, the reason I love this is because when I was sick and I wasn't able to talk to anyone because I was just having crazy coughing fits, I just took like a few drops of this before bed, and within like 2 days, I was able to breathe better, and all of the mucus that was just covering up my lungs was gone. And this stuff is flying off the shelves right now, especially with the random increase of just everyone getting sick. And also just a bunch of smokers that want to detox their lungs finding about this on TikTok. So if you click the link below right here, you can actually get a coupon for new customers, which is like 40% off. That's why I got mine. And so yeah, like, try it out for yourself and get it before it's gone, because it's worth it.